Hi there, this is video. It is unit 1, video number 1, and we're going to start talking about conjectures. All of chapter 1 is about reasoning and logic. It's a lot of thinking, not a lot of math stuff until the end. So a conjecture is a testable expression that is based on available evidence, but is not yet proven for sure. Okay, that's our textbook. I always want to say thank you, textbook. Now, let's translate that. In English, a conjecture is like a best guess. Or probably a better phrase, is an educated guess. So conjecture, right? You see a bunch of stuff or you see something and you make up a reason for it. So in science, you might call that a hypothesis. Or an interpretation. And now comes the fun part. I'm going to ask you, what conjectures can you make based on what I am looking at like today? So I'm going to give you a minute or two to write that. Take a good look. Oh, hold on. I think I can do this. There you go. I'm hoping you're seeing me full screen right now. So go ahead, make some conjectures. Hope you weren't too mean, just kidding. My ego's pretty good. I think I'll be okay. Right, so what's going on? Well, I'm thinking most of you noticed that I had my dark shades on. And when I have my dark glasses on, all kinds of conjectures are usually made by students now. Just hold on, I'm gonna get rid of them. One, because that might be weirding you out, and mostly because my shades, they're prescription and I need to upgrade them, so they're starting to give me a headache already. So what'd you write? You might have said Joanne has a headache. Joanne is somewhere that's really bright. You wouldn't be the first student who said Joanne has got a hangover. So whatever, it's best guess. You saw me in dark glasses. That's an observation, but the meaning you give to it would be an interpretation. And kind of the key here, hold on for a sec. Sorry, just had to check what was going on in the background. And one of the important things I want you to get out of this is you don't know which one of those conjectures is right. Probably a few killer said she's wearing dark glasses so she can make a point in this video, and that's probably the closest to the truth. All right. Oh, all right. My husband just gave me a little bit of our banana pepper she's been growing. Am I going to regret this?
No.
All right. It's not spicy, but wow, tastes like green pepper. Sorry guys, this is what happens when you do videos over the summer. All right, does the same set of data always produce the same conjecture? No. And that's part of the problem with making conjectures, is you don't know for sure. I suspect there are a lot of, I was going to say relationships that have been broken up based on conjectures. You see some evidence, you make up something, what you gonna do? But I'm not here to give you a lecture on life. I'm here to teach you about math. All right, so for a second example, you're gonna need to find a partner. Okay, you're gonna play tic-tac-toe, noughts and crosses, all of that. Okay, so probably try and do it not with a 3-year-old. You won't have much of a challenge. Okay, so what I want you to do is play 4 or 5 games and come up with a way. Is there a way that you like? Do you always start like that? Do you always start in the middle? And once you do that first placement. How do you react to what the opponent does? See if you can come up with some rules, and those are going to be conjectures. Now, if we're in the classroom, I'll have you guys do it in pairs and then switch partners and see if your rules work. All right, but whatever rules you make up, those are your conjectures. And that is it for this video.